Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject thermodynamics for civil services mains, IFS, and various gate exam. Now, the next topic in the chapter of properties of gases and mixture is equation of state. So, we have studied that ideal gas equation is PV is equal to RT or PV is equal to MRT. Okay. But the real gases deviate considerably from the ideal gas. So, equation is modified by introducing two factors. One is your A by B square, another is your B. Okay. So this is introduced by Van der Waals, so it is known as Van der Waals equation. So the new equation is P plus A by B square into V minus B is equal to RT. Here A coefficient was introduced to account for the existence of mutual attraction between the molecules. Okay. So that's why there is some increase in pressure that A takes into account the force of cohesion also. Okay. So this term A by B square is called force of cohesion. And the B coefficient B was introduced to account for the volume of the molecules because we are considering whole volume. So there are spaces between the molecules, so this factor has to be reduced to get the actual volume of the molecule. Okay. So that is the second factor. Okay. So now this equation can further be modified as P is equal to RT by B minus B minus A by B square, or it can be written as PV cube minus bracket PV plus RT bracket close B square plus AB minus AB is equal to 0. Okay. So now from this equation, if we solve this equation, we will get three roots for P and P. Okay. We will get three roots from for P and P. Or if we take an isothermal line on the critical state, this is for isothermal line on the critical state, then the slope of this line will be 0 on PV diagram, as well as the change in slope is also 0. Okay. So slope is curly P by curly V, and it is isothermal line passing through the critical point. So T constant, that is equal to Tc. So curly P by curly V, P is equal to Tc, comes out as, if we differentiate this equation, then it will be minus RTC by Vc minus V whole square plus 2A by Vc cube. So as slope is 0, so it is equal to 0, and the change in slope is also 0. So double differentiation of it with respect to V will also be 0. So this is double differentiation. So solving these two equations, this equation and this equation, you will get B is equal to 1 by 3 Vc and R is equal to 8A by 9 TCVC. Okay. So now you put the value of R and B in the original equation, that is this equation, you will get the value of A. The value of A will come out as 3 PC VC square. Or if we now put the value of A in the value of R, then we will get value of R as 8 by 3 PC VC by PC, where PC is critical pressure, VC is critical volume, critical specific volume, and TC is your critical temperature. So R is in terms of PC, VC and TC, and B is in terms of VC. A is also in terms of PC and VC. Okay, so these are the fixed quantities. So this is your Van der Waals equation.